Okay, this is Meditation with Renee. I am Renee. I would like to thank you for joining me on the 30th day, the final day of my 30-day meditation challenge. Today we will be covering meditation for inspiration. Please find your preferred seated position, whether that be on the floor as I am, sitting on a mat, or sitting in a chair with back support. I would like to invite you to close your eyes, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Breathing in through the nose and out through your mouth. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Repeat after me, out loud or to yourself. What I have done today was the best I was able to do. What I have done today was the best I was able to do. What I have done today was the best that I was able to do. My life has meaning. My life has meaning. My life has meaning. I focus my mind. I focus my mind. I focus my mind. I finish what matters and let go of what does not. I finish what matters and let go of what does not. I finish what matters and let go of what does not. I am going to make myself proud. I am going to make myself proud. I am going to make myself proud. I have made mistakes, but I will not let them define me. I have made mistakes, but I will not let them define me. I have made mistakes, but I will not let them define me. My past might be ugly, but I am still beautiful. My past might be ugly, but I am still beautiful. My past might be ugly, but I am still beautiful. I must remember the incredible power I possess. I must remember the incredible power I possess. I must remember the incredible power I possess. I am healing every day. I am healing every day. I am healing every day. I forgive myself. I forgive myself. I forgive myself. I accept myself for who I am. I accept myself for who I am. I accept myself for who I am. I am constantly growing. I am constantly growing. I am constantly growing. Each and every day, I am getting better. Each and every day, I am getting better. Each and every day, I am getting better. I am getting healthier every day. I am getting healthier every day. I am getting healthier every day. I am intelligent and focused. I am intelligent and focused. I am intelligent and focused. Today will be a great day. Today will be a great day. Today will be a great day. I can be whatever I want to be. I can be whatever I want to be. I can be whatever I want to be. I am self-sufficient. I am self-sufficient. I am self-sufficient. I am inspiring people through my work. I am inspiring people through my work. I am inspiring people through my work. I am strong. I am strong. I am strong. I am confident. I am confident. I am confident. Great job today. And for this whole month, I really mean it. I created this meditation channel so I could share with like-minded people. I want to encourage you to ask questions, to make comments, and I will respond to you as soon as possible. I really enjoy this. At the end of this video, you will see the new schedule for February. Please take a look at it, and you'll also find a link in the description that will take you to a full printout of the February schedule. Until next time, please be kind to yourself, others, and all living things. See you tomorrow.